Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and I'm a part-time reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I have another box for us from Boutique by the Box. This is the Ultimate Revolve Box. I ordered a 10 piece. They had a 5, 10, and a 20 piece available. But if you want to see what they sent me, definitely stick around. So this box dropped and it sold out super fast, so I'm not sure if it's available anymore, but I did sign up for the notifications in case it gets restocked because it sold out so fast. This is, or should be, 10 pieces, and it consists of 3 Revolve brands: Ronnie Kobo, Atoire, forgive my pronunciation, y'all, I don't actually know these brands, and Divine Heritage. So I'm not familiar with these brands, but when I ran comps just to kind of see if it was worth paying what it cost, I guess depending on the piece, these brands can be pretty pricey. So I decided to go ahead and give it a try. It was $290 for 10 pieces, making each piece $29 a piece. And I know that's a high cost of goods, but let me tell you, Boutique by the Box does hand sort all their merchandise. I am confident that everything in here is going to be sellable in the condition it's described as and ready to be listed. So I haven't opened the box though. We're going to do that together. Here's the box. It's taped up still. If you like reseller content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of unboxings on this channel, and I also come back 90 days later and talk about whether or not I made money on the box, and if it was a good box, I will have doubled my money on liquidation, and I'll give a recommendation if I would buy another one. So I'm going to open this up here with you guys. Drop me a like if you find this helpful. And I do use List Perfectly. I'm going to list everything on at least eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. I have been dabbling into Vestair a little bit lately too. So I'll get it listed at least 3 places, maybe more. And then I'll give you guys the update after 90 days. If you are shopping on Boutique by the Box, feel free to use my discount code. It's OHYEAH, OHYEAH. You will get 10% off whatever box you're ordering. It does work for new customers, and if you've ordered from them before, it will, even if you're an existing customer, technically, you can use the discount code for 10% off. However, just to clarify, it will only work one time. So you can only use it one time per person or per household. So, but definitely check it out. I mean, if you're going to order from them, they have lots of good stuff all the time. So anyway, here is what it looks like inside. Some stuff is in bags. Some stuff is not, and lots of different patterns and colors. The description said, if you order a 10 piece, there's 4 to 5 of the Ronnie Kobo, 3 to 4 of the Atoire. Somebody tell me in the comments how to pronounce that, please. And 2 to 3 of Divine Heritage. So based on their description, that's what I'm expecting here. Let's see what's actually in here. All right, we have a dress. This is very stretchy knit bodycon dress. This one is Ronnie Kobo. And Eunice dress boho jacquard, green multi-size small. There is a style name right on the tag. I don't see a price, but it has a style name, so it should be very easy for me to look up and see what exactly this is and get a good description. It's very stretchy. All right, there's one. This is also Ronnie Kobo. Style name is the Therese sweater, black, size extra small. So I can see it's very sheer, lacy, delicate with some ruffles. Oh yeah, you can see right through that. Okay. Like I said, I'm not sure what the retail is on this stuff, but we are gonna find out. This is the Attoir. Now I really want to know how you say that. Dare to Love dress. Cameo Bloom. Oh, this is fun. It's a one shoulder. So it's a very heavy material, like, oh, what's the name of this kind of material? It almost feels like upholstery, like for a piece of furniture. Gosh, I can't think of what that's called. Jacquard? Said it right on the tag, didn't it? Jacquard. I'm telling you, pregnancy brain is a real thing. Okay, and it has a really puffy statement sleeve on one side, and it is a one shoulder, off the shoulder, size small/8. Now, this does say it's an Australian brand, so it's probably an Australian size 8, not a US size 8, because that's pretty small. But I'll check out their website and make sure I have the proper size comparisons for when I'm listing. This is also Attoir. This is also a size small 8. It's the Walk Me Home dress. Oh, that's pretty. So this is a little bit more sheer, and it's got ruching on the sleeves. It is long sleeve, zipper back. It's like a drop waist almost, ruffly on the bottom. Lots of ruching and gathering in here. That's very pretty too. Makes me wish I had somewhere to wear dresses like this. Not at this time. Okay, this is also, nope, this is Divine Heritage. First one of this brand. And this is a long sleeve dress. Oh, I see, it's got a tie neckline. The sleeves are very sheer. This is almost like an A-line style. It is fully lined. Color is orchid, size small. There is a style number, but it doesn't say the style name. Oh, okay. Again, I have never heard of these brands, but they are cute styles, I would say. Oh, what do we have here? This is, wow. Wow, you guys. Check that out. Check out those sleeves. Oh my goodness. So unique. This is Attoir as well. Attoir. The Madison dress. Size large, 12. See, now I could see how this one might be a large, I think. I don't know. And you know, every time I go to make a video, the sun comes in my window, so I apologize. You go this way. There we go. Oh my gosh, what fun sleeves. I hope somebody needs that. I really do, because that's cool. This is the prettiest emerald green. It's probably a blouse. Or maybe it's a dress. No, it's definitely a blouse. Divine Heritage. The fabric feels super delicate. And see how it's, oh, there's the sun again. The fabric feels super delicate and sheer. Let's see, maybe this is silk. Like, I would not be surprised if this is a silk blouse. Yeah, this one is 100% silk, so great material. I'm really excited to look this stuff up and see how much it retails for. So this one is lace overlay, Divine Heritage, Dove, size medium. Dove is the color. That's a blouse as well. So the sleeves are sheer, and then the body is lined. That's fun. Two more pieces, I think, here. This is Ronnie Kobo, the Kristen pant. Oh, this is a very pretty color for springtime. So these are very wide leg, and then they kind of balloon at the bottom, joggers. Oh my gosh, that light is so bad. I'm sorry, y'all. There we go. Oh. These are, oh, these are a linen blend. Very nice. Size small. All right, and this is the last piece in the box. This is also Ronnie Kobo. Size medium. Sheila dress, lavender. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, I see, it's a halter. So this is a halter neck, cutout polka dot dress. That's very cute too. And this one's nice and stretchy knit material. Very, very fun. So, all right, I want to make sure it was as described. So let me just count and see what I've got here. All right, so I do have exactly 10 pieces. I've got 4 Ronnie Kobo, 3 Atoir, and 3 Divine Heritage, which the box promised 4 to 5 Ronnie Kobo, 3 to 4 Atoir, 2 to 3 Divine Heritage. So that falls right in line. I did not see anything that looked flawed. It's a good mix of bottoms, dresses, and blouses. So I'd say it's as described. It should be pretty easy for me to find the style information based on them all having the tags. And the ones that I looked at as far as fabric content, it looks like it's good, high quality material. So like I said, don't know these brands though. So was it worth $29 a piece? I am not sure yet. Yeah, I'll come back in 90 days and let you guys know what actually sold and if I made any money on this. If the box cost me $290, being liquidation, I want to make my $290 back plus an additional $290. So I guess we'll have to see if I can do that here. But let me know in the comments what you think. Are you familiar with these brands? Do you think I can make money on them? And did you order this box? Maybe you're checking out my video because you ordered and you wanted to see what came in mine versus what came in yours. So I definitely love your feedback if you ordered one as well. If you want to order from Boutique by the Box, like I said, code OHYEAH will work once per household for 10% off your order on the site. So definitely check it out if you were going to go order from them anyway. And make sure you're subscribed if you want to see the 90-day updates. And I've got a ton of 90-day updates coming up. I've been a little bit behind on them, but they are coming up this week and next. And drop me a like on the way out if you are still here. That's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one.